Hello guys, welcome back to Part-2 and welcome back to the Part 2 of Human Circulatory System. So yes, if you haven't watched the Part 1, I would definitely recommend you to watch Part 1 and then come back here so that you understand this better. You know what are RBCs, WBC and platelets so that you can understand our further discussion. So yes guys, we will continue the story of interesting engine of our body. Now, guys, before I talk about this amazing system, I would like to talk about myself as well. My name is Aditi Goyal. I'm a final year MBBS student at RUHS CMS Jaipur, and I have been teaching biology and mentoring NEET UG students from past 5 years. So, yes, guys, let's learn now about the blood grouping, the ABO blood grouping. Let me give you a little context. Haven't you heard people telling them, my blood group is A positive, my blood group is B positive? I mean, what do you mean by it? Well, let's get to know. So, guys, your blood group is extremely unique. It's like having an identity card. Every blood group is unique. But what makes my blood group unique? Basically, your red blood cell contains around 43 antigens, and the one specific antigen that we look for are A antigen, B antigen. Some red blood cells have A antigen, so they become A blood group. Some have B blood groups, B antigen, so it is B blood group. Some have both of them, so it is AB, and some have none of them, that is the O blood group. Now, guys, if you have no antigen, that means your body cannot produce. If I give that blood to any other person that has no antigen, the other person's body cannot produce any antibody against it, right? So there will be no reaction. So the type O, which has no antigens over it, is actually called the universal donor. Since it has no antigens, no other blood can attack it. Whereas the group AB has both the antigens but no antibodies, so it cannot attack any blood it receives. So you can transfuse any blood to their body and they can receive it. So they are known as universal recipients. So the rule is antigens on RBCs should always match the antibodies in plasma. So if I am type A, you can only give me type A blood because the antibodies in my blood are against B. So I should always be given the same amount, same blood group. It's very important, otherwise the reaction can be fatal. Now guys, you ma'am talked about A, B, ABO, but we also say A positive. What is that? Well, that happens because of Rh antigen. That is known as rhesus antigen. Now, this rhesus antigen is present in 80% of humans. It is similar as the rhesus monkey. 20% of the individuals don't have it. The ones who have it are known as having Rh positive blood group, whereas those who don't have it are Rh negative blood group. If you give the Rh positive blood to a person with Rh negative blood group, they form antibodies against it and they can cause the destruction of the red blood cells. Okay, ma'am, I understand. Now, guys, I want you to know about a very unique situation where it happens. So, let's say a mother who is Rh negative, her blood group is Rh negative, she does not have this rhesus antigen. She gets pregnant with a child which has Rh positive blood. Yes, she has this antigen. The child has this antigen. Now, for the mother, that blood is foreign blood which has Rh positive antigen. So her body will start forming antibodies against this antigen. So the fetus will be attacked by the mother and fetus will get killed. Oh my god. Yes, that's what happens. And it is called erythroblastosis fetalis. What do I mean by this? Erythroblastosis fetalis means erythroblasts get blasts, right? They are blasted, and fetalis. Also, the fetal death can occur. Fetus can go into severe anemia. Now, in this condition, the first pregnancies are usually safe. Why? Because it is well separated by the placenta. But during the delivery, some maternal blood can leak and can cause damage to fetus. But thereafter, subsequent pregnancies have a higher risk because the mother's body has already antibodies prepared. You remember, the antibodies are based upon memory. So the first pregnancy gives them the memory and they have antibodies prepared, so they can easily attack the fetal RBCs. So how do we prevent that from happening? We give the anti-Rh antibodies injections are administered after every delivery so that the next pregnancy does not get attacked. Wow, the human body is so interesting, right? Now, guys, let's talk about hemostasis. Talked about platelets' role in the part 1 video where we talked about that it causes the clotting of the blood. Now, guys, the clot of the blood you see immediately after bleeding is not that strong. Try that next time, just scratch it. It will break down. But after a few days, that clot becomes really strong because it begins the process of coagulation, and that is the coagulation cascade. Homeostasis means to maintain the balance. My body maintains a great balance. So there is a balance between the blood flow and also the clotting. How is it maintained? Basically, the process is, let's say an injury happens. My body releases some injury factors which activate the prothrombin and convert it into the thrombin. Thrombin basically acts as an enzyme which converts the protein. We talked about this protein in the plasma. Remember the 8% in the part 1. Fibrinogen is converted to fibrin by this thrombin. And also, guys, throughout this process, a very important mineral is calcium. Calcium is very critical for fibrinogen to fibrin conversion. Alright, guys. So, yes, I know you are finding this whole process so interesting. And I would recommend you, if you're looking for such an interesting study solution, you definitely need to check out Patshala. They offer one on one live classes, instant doubt solving, and premium study materials that cover all the grades and all boards. It's basically like having a personal tutor in your pocket. To get started, just download the app using the link in the description box below. Search for the subject you want to learn, and they will connect you with the best teachers in the country. Seriously, go and check it out. The link is right down below. Also, guys, please like, share, and comment upon this video so that I can keep bringing you such more interesting biology concepts. Also, guys, please share and please comment down your drops. Keep studying. All the best.